In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate logo in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a project, find a logo template, and apply a clean animation so your brand mark has a polished, professional movement. First, open Adobe Express in your web browser. It runs smoothly on modern browsers, so make sure yours is up to date and your connection is stable. This helps the editor load assets and previews quickly, which is especially helpful once you start testing animations. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in. Being logged in ensures you can access templates, use your brand assets, and save your progress without interruptions. If you have multiple accounts, confirm you're in the one where you want this project to live. At the top of the Adobe Express homepage, click the search bar. This is your shortcut to find ready-made designs fast. Using search saves time and gets you straight into editable templates that already have the right structure for animation. Type logo into the search bar and press enter. You'll see a range of logo templates in different styles. Think about the tone you want: minimal, bold, playful, or elegant, and choose something that aligns with your brand identity. You can always swap colors and text later, but for now, focus on a layout that frames your logo clearly. Click on a sample logo template to open it in the editor. Adobe Express will load the design on the canvas along with editing tools around the edges. Give it a moment to render so everything looks crisp and responsive. On the canvas, click the logo element itself. You want to be sure you're selecting the logo, not the background or other decorations. When the logo is selected, you'll notice handles or a bounding box around it. That's your confirmation you're targeting the right layer. On the left side of the editor, click Animation. This opens the animation panel for the selected element. You'll see a range of effects designed for subtle motion, attention-grabbing entrances, or smooth transitions. Hovering over options often previews the motion, which makes comparison quick. Choose an animation and click to apply it. Aim for movement that matches your brand personality, clean and minimal for a modern brand, or slightly more dynamic if you want energy. Keep readability and clarity in mind. The goal is to enhance your logo, not distract from it. If you see options for intensity or direction, pick the setting that keeps the motion smooth and consistent with your design. That's it. You opened Adobe Express, signed in, searched for logo, picked a template, selected the logo, opened the animation panel, and applied an effect. With these fundamentals in place, your logo is ready to shine with tasteful motion.